All right, got the CB installed. 4-foot fire stick, red, white, and blue. Antenna comes in behind this seat. There's a grommet back there. I poked a hole in it, run it down here, comes down here underneath this trim piece. There's a wire chase right there. Runs down under this trim piece, same wire chase, goes up under the dash, and bam, goes right there. Look at this big old honking thing. I just couldn't put it anywhere else. It's too big. There's no room. Everything down here is full. There's no room. So this is bullet point mounting systems. These are the radar detector mounts. If you can see that right there, yep. And I just use 2 of them. Makes it detachable, which I'm never gonna take it off, but it would come off. And then I got the bullet point mic holder. Yeah, let me get my pepper spray out of the way there. Got the bullet point mic holder down here. It's out of the way. And yeah, that's it, man. See if it works. Breaker 19 radio check. Yeah, nobody uses CBs anymore.